My name is Blair. My social security number is... Yes, exactly. My name is Dave. I am the operations manager for All Stage and Sound. I've been the operations manager here for approximately 9 years now. I've been in the special events industry for 35 years. We set up stages and audio for major events. We have mobile stages, lighting, all that fun stuff. We have a very old fleet. We have a number of aged vehicles here that we're not getting rid of anytime soon, and they require a lot of love and care, which is where Revit comes from. RevitAuto gives you peace of mind. You see their mechanics here. Your vehicle is not sitting in a dealership and you're wondering, are they working on it? Are they telling the truth when they said that parts haven't showed up yet? Or this or that. Well, you know what's going on. You know when they're working on your trucks, and they do a wonderful job. They're friendly. They will take the time to explain to you not just the what, but the why. We joke sometimes that this is the Laytonsville satellite office for RevitAuto because I constantly have things breaking and they are constantly here. Labor Day weekend, I had the owner and his lead mechanic underneath my truck, underneath my tractor, getting it fixed because they knew it had to go out. They look for the other things, but there's no, oh, you have to do this and oh, you have to do this. And there's no pressure, none of those things. You get a great service for no more than you would pay anywhere else. I went from the green light at Sundown Road, you know, I had it up to 80 miles an hour in friggin' no time. Yeah. Whoosh! Yeah. Friday morning, I'm taking my daughter to the doctor's office. I cannot be here. I'm sitting 45 minutes away, in a waiting room, and I get the first phone call. The truck won't start. Then I get the second phone call. The van just died. Then I get the third phone call. The brakes just locked up on the tractor trailer. I get the fourth phone call. The tractor trailer won't move. I'm not here. There's nothing I can do about it. One of Revit's mechanics was here to fix another problem. One of my guys pulled him off that, said, hey, we need help right away. He saw the problems going on, was immediately on the phone. Hey, we need help now. I had 5 mechanics in my yard within 30 minutes, each of them working on a different vehicle to get them all up. Everything got up. Everything got moving and every single job got finished on time. Would not have happened without RevitAuto. Not in a million years. In fact, all my vehicles would still be sitting in a dealership lot right now waiting to get worked on. That's peace of mind. You cannot beat that anywhere else.